Air races attracted and provided a proving ground for some of the most famous aviators of the day, such as Jimmy Doolittle, who won the Thompson Trophy in 1932 flying his GBR-1 at over 296 miles per hour. He wasn't just a daredevil. He was a brilliant test pilot who later led the Doolittle raid in World War II. Roscoe Turner, with his movie star looks, pencil mustache, and larger-than-life personality, won 3 Thompson trophies and often flew with his pet lion named Gilmore, which made him unforgettable to spectators. Benny Howard, a self-taught designer who raced his own creations, the Howard Pete and the Howard Mike. He later went on to found the Howard Aircraft Corporation, known for quality civilian aircraft. Frank Hawks, more famous for setting speed records than pylon racing, but still a prominent name in the 1930s aviation scene. And there were colorful characters such as Douglas Wrongway Corrigan, who in 1938 accidentally flew over the Atlantic Ocean. While not a top racer, he embodied the quirky spirit of the aviation era at the time. And let's not forget about the women who made their mark. In spite of social limitations and hostility towards what was considered a male-dominated field, women were racing and breaking records too. Louise Dayton, who in 1936 won the Bendix Trophy race, beating all of the men in a cross-country dash. She also co-founded the 99s with Amelia Earhart to support women in aviation. Amelia Earhart herself competed in races, including the 1929's Women's Air Derby, nicknamed the Powder Puff Derby. These races helped define her fame before her record-setting flights. Pancho Barnes was a fearless pilot who broke Amelia Earhart's airspeed record in 1930. Known for her bold personality and her exceptional flying skills, she competed in many air races during the 1930s. Later, she founded the Happy Bottom Riding Club, a famous gathering place for test pilots in California's Mojave Desert. Blanche Noyes, a pilot and a skilled mechanic. She competed in the 1929 Women's Air Derby and later teamed up with Louise Dayton to win the Bendix Trophy race in 1936. Noyes became one of the first women to work for the Civil Aeronautics Authority, promoting safety and education. Ruth Nichols. She set multiple speed, altitude, and distance records in the early 1930s, becoming the only woman to hold all 3 simultaneously. She participated in a few air races and was one of the few women to fly transport aircraft at the time. Nichols also founded Relief Wings, a humanitarian aviation organization. Florence Klingensmith, a daring competitor from North Dakota. She was one of the first women to enter the men's air races. She set multiple speed and endurance records before tragically passing away in the 1933 Chicago National Air Race. Her courage inspired future generations of women pilots.